perfect day here in Calgary, which is perfect for Tower Chrysler to introduce to you this 2017 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Limited and a brilliant black exterior. It rides on 20-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires. It runs with a 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, giving this Ram 1500 395 horsepower. On the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and power folding mirrors. This Ram Laramie Limited seats up to 5 people with premium leather black seating. If you're on the driver's side or the front passenger, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. The driver's side gets the memory seat. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings and your gearing. On the left side is your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. And as we head into the odometer, it reads 27,085 kilometers. This Ram 1500 comes with Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we go into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Going to controls, you get heated and vented front seats, along with heated steering wheel. And when we go to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Down below is your dual zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side and the front passenger. You can choose to do it by the buttons down here, or up top on your Uconnect touchscreen. As we head on down, you have the buttons for your heated seats and vented seats, along with your heated steering wheel, the park sense for the front and rear, your trailer brake, last but not least, your air ride suspension. As we head to the back, we have 3 more seats with plenty of comfort and lots of leg space. As we head on down below here, you have your heated rear seats. In the truck bed, we have a 5'7" box with a spray-in bed liner. So there you have it, the 2017 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Laramie Limited. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.